In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove admins on your Facebook Messenger group. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support me. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the group, and I have here this group. Now, if I go to members, you can see I have these members. I have 3 of them. To identify admins, go and tap on admins here. And now you can see a list of all admins that I have on this Facebook Messenger group. I'd like to go ahead and remove this admin. To do so, it is pretty easy. Just tap on the name. And then under this, we'll see this option called remove as admin. Now, if I go ahead and select this option, I'm told that this person will no longer manage the group. However, they'll still be able to participate as usual. So I'm okay with it. I'll go ahead and tap on remove. And now I have one admin remaining, which is me. Now, if I go ahead and go back, now you can see this contact is no longer an admin for the group. Now, if I go ahead and tap on the group and then go under members, now you can see this person or this contact is now just a member as the others. So that's how you remove admins on your Facebook group Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.